Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about Facebook. Yeah, Facebook back in the news because it actually had we're not really sure, some form of data breach. Lots of personal information of a few 100 million users have been exposed, and so they're investigating. We're not really sure exactly at what level. Somebody at Facebook said that maybe it's simply from a past, data breach, not something new. From what they say, there has not been any data breach at Facebook recently. So, of course, back in the news for the bad reasons and so many things that are just crazy. We also learned another thing this week is that even if your tracking is off, Facebook still continues to track your location. Even if you put that location off, it can still know where you are by other means, and it does it. So, it's really playing bad, and I think just that tells us one thing, is that this company needs to really be heavily regulated. Facebook has something amazing. It's bringing a lot of people together. But the problem is it just almost seems like it doesn't care about, our privacy, our data, and all the information. I mean, we give a lot of personal info on Facebook, and that is a major problem. So anyways, this is crazy. Once again, another reason why I totally understand why some people say, well, you know what, I don't want to be on Facebook because of all the problems and the data breach and so on. And, it's just something that I totally understand when people say, well, I'm not going to be on Facebook ever and so on. So what if you're a Facebook user? What is, what are the consequences of this? Well, we don't really know all the details of the information that was stolen. It seems to be mostly friend lists, personal details, including your phone number, if you had one in your Facebook account, and so on. It's not everybody, because there's more than 1 billion users on Facebook, but there's apparently 267 million accounts that have been breached. Facebook says it will contact you to let you know if you have been breached, apparently. You know what? Just be careful what you do, and be careful, especially because this one doesn't, from what we know, it doesn't include passwords or anything. So it's not that people can actually log into your account. It mostly is because now you are actually, it's possible that they're going to try to do some phishing attempts to you. Why? Because scammers will use that personal info to kind of convince you that what they're sending you is real, because they have information about you. So that's mostly where you need to be careful, through Facebook Messenger and through email, or even on your phone. You got to be very, very careful with this. So in the description below the video, there's a link. I will repost the exact link where you click to delete your account. If for some reason you got enough of Facebook and that's what you want to do after this video, the link will be in the description below the video. Maybe you're asking, what do you do? Personally, my Facebook account has a lot of, let's say, a lot of little things in there that aren't exactly the reality. That means that, first of all, if you steal data from my Facebook account, apart from my Facebook friends list, which is something that's bad. Personally, I don't have really nothing much that is a problem in there, and I will keep my Facebook account because it is linked to some important stuff for me. But honestly, if I didn't have any important stuff, maybe I would delete my Facebook account after this. So the link in the description below the video. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.